How to track a cell phone number. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to install different applications. There are several offline and online applications and websites that you can use to look up and locate the approximate location of the phone. These are reverse lookup services on the web and as phone app and would only provide the general location. The paid versions are third party, so better not to use that. So, let's begin. Go to Play Store and then search for Truecaller, one of the applications that will help you find caller ID of the person that is calling you or the caller ID of the cell is this application. All you have to do is install it and give access to your contacts and call history, and it will automatically tell you their name based on their phone number. Next is we have a website. This website is called numlooker. To use this number or sorry to use this website, go to simply verify you as a human, and after the verification is successful, all you have to do is enter the phone number and then search them. Now their location will be the approximate location actually will be available in the screen. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.